Hi, I'm Bob. Today, let's continue to talk about the 10 principles of economics. The principle number 7 is governments can sometimes improve market outcomes. Think about your house, and you make it a clean and comfortable place to live. But would you still take care of your house if other people could break in and destroy it? Or will you pay for the maintenance of your car knowing that somebody will steal it at any time? We will not do that because it's not clear what's going to happen to our property. That's why we need property rights. Property rights are the ability of an individual to own and exercise control over scarce resources, and knowing that no one can take them away from us. Therefore, in order for the invisible hand to work its magic, market economy needs property rights, so individuals can own and control scarce resources. Another reason why we need government is because the consideration of efficiency and equality. Even though the invisible hand allocates the resources efficiently in many cases, it sometimes fails. Economists use the term market failure to refer to a situation in which the market on its own fails to produce an efficient outcome. There are two major types of market failure. The first one is due to externality. An externality is the impact of one person's actions on the well-being of a bystander. It directly affects another person's well-being, rather than indirectly through the changes in prices. It could be a positive externality or a negative externality. A positive externality benefits others. For example, beautiful decoration on the front door of your house may increase the value of your neighbor's house. Another example is that during the COVID pandemic, if you get vaccinated, you are less likely to be infected, and the people around you are also less likely to get COVID. That is, the action of receiving the vaccine benefits others, and it is a positive externality. On the other hand, a negative externality harms other people. The classic example of a negative externality is pollution. For a factory, the private cost of producing a product does not include the cost of the pollution it creates for the people who live nearby. The market fails to take the social cost into account. Another possible cause of market failure is market power, such as monopoly and oligopoly. They have the ability to influence market prices. Suppose there's only one computer seller in the world. The firm can restrict the quantity of computers and charge a higher price to maximize its profit. For the whole society, this is not an optimal outcome. When the market fails, the government steps in and intervenes to promote efficiency. The government provides public goods. It regulates negative externality. It implements policies that reduce market power and increase competition. The above is the efficiency part. Let's turn to the equality part. The market economy rewards people according to their ability to produce things that other people are willing to pay for. Movie stars can earn much more than ordinary people because they are talented and hardworking, and people enjoy watching their movies. The invisible hand in the market price system does not ensure that everyone has enough food, decent clothing, and adequate health care. We need the government's intervention through the income tax and the welfare system to achieve a more equal distribution of economic well-being. Finally, keep in mind that policymakers are human beings. They could make mistakes. As we study economics, we will become a better judge of when a government policy is justifiable because it promotes efficiency and equality, and when it is not.